If you live in Lagos, you already know how frustrating mainland traffic can be. From Opebi to Maryland, from Mende to Ojota. People have missed flights, jobs, and even hospital appointments. But this is the new bridge that's about to change everything. A 3.89-kilometer project with a 276-meter bridge connecting neighborhoods, cutting traffic time by half. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's finally here. Welcome to the Opebi-Mende-Ojota-Maryland Link Bridge, the new lifeline of Lagos mainland.
I'm currently cycling from the Opebi part of the project, and it's been a smooth ride.
This ambitious project is a key part of Governor Sanwo-Olu's agenda to reduce traffic congestion and improve transportation efficiency across Lagos mainland by connecting Opebi directly to Maryland, Mende, and Ojota.
Decided to provide a carefully designed, innovative solution that will ease the daily gridlock that we currently experience by commuters around the Opebi, Mobolaji Johnson, and the Ojota-Mende corridor of our state.
This road will reduce pressure on Mobolaji Bankantoni Way and Ikorodu Road, two of Lagos' busiest traffic corridors.
Really, why do we celebrate road projects in Nigeria? This should be the minimum thing the government can give us. But anyways, when I see one, I talk about it, and this is an amazing one. It's long overdue, and kudos to the Lagos State government for this initiative, for reducing traffic congestion on Mobolaji Bankantoni Way, on Opebi Road coming from Sheraton, even on this road from Maryland going to Ojota. This project is actually going to reduce traffic, and this is amazing and thoughtful. The thing is, our politicians know what to do. The only thing that baffles me is that why do they take so long to do it? And why does the project take a lot of time? Is it funding? I don't know actually. But well, kudos to Lagos State government. Thank you for this.
This bridge is more than just a road. It's a catalyst for economic growth. With better connectivity, local businesses are expected to thrive. Property values will rise, and commuting will be less stressful for thousands. Cleaner traffic flow could also mean reduced pollution in this area, a breath of fresh air for residents. But for this to last, security and maintenance must be top priorities. The Opebi-Mende-Ojota-Maryland Link Bridge is more than just concrete and asphalt. It's hope for a better Lagos mainland, a sign that with vision and determination, progress is possible.
This road they go have some people there. So the time where Julius Berger start the work, road no day. But now, road there, some people, they go come, many they come from mainland. When you come from mainland, before they go down, unless they go new bridge. That new bridge, when you go, they go have many people. Some people now, they will reach that Ojota on that bridge. Some, they will come from Ojota on that bridge, reach to Maryland, reach to Oligongo. So this road, you don't have many people there.
This road is very easy for you to pass. If you don't want to go pass through Sheraton to give you more stress, from Allen straight down, you can get down to Maryland Uju-Elegba. Or we have a U-turn roundabout back to Allen, or if you want to take straight back down to Ikorodu, Ojota, and all that. So if you are coming straight down from Fadeyi, Unipan, and you're going to Allen, you can easily come down straight here, go under the bridge and get to Opebi, Allen, Alausa, and Ogba. So it's very easy and they make it easy for everybody. So it's not that hard. So it's a thing that government just did that to make for everybody to enjoy it, to make the traffic and all that more easier for people to where they are going or maybe going to work. Instead of you taking 1 hour, you take 30 minutes, or instead of you taking 30 minutes, you take 15 minutes. So they make it more easier for people. So thanks to our government.
Going to Ojota from Opebi is now easier. Instead of going through the rigorous traffic all the way from Maryland, this link road cuts right through, saving time and frustration. Whether you're driving or taking public transport, travel time along this route is now significantly reduced. Can you see how beautiful this stretch is? Coming straight from Ojota down to Maryland, it's not just scenic, it's smart. For the first time, I can connect Opebi-Mende directly without passing through the usual longer traffic-prone routes like Mobolaji Bank Anthony or Ikorodu Road. This road doesn't just save time, it gives peace of mind. Whether you are heading home, to work, or even trying to catch a flight, this new link makes the journey smoother, shorter, and a whole lot easier. Approaching from Maryland, the view is simply breathtaking. As you descend onto the link, you're welcomed by this incredible spiral engineering, a beautiful curve that feels like something out of a modern architectural design. It's not just functional, it's artistic. The way it coils down, effortlessly guiding you from the elevation into the city. It shows a real design brilliance. It's the kind of view that makes you pause and appreciate what Lagos is becoming. I hope this video brought value to you and maybe even a smile. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next.